Hello and welcome to this video on data preprocessing. In this video, we will cover the importance of data preprocessing in machine learning, including techniques like data cleaning, feature scaling, and feature engineering. So, data preprocessing is crucial step in machine learning. It involves cleaning and transforming raw data into format that can be easily understood by machine learning algorithms. The goal of data preprocessing is to improve the quality of data, reduce noise, and make it more suitable for analysis. So why is data preprocessing important? Data preprocessing is important to increase the model accuracy and reducing overfitting and underfitting things. It saves time and increase the productivity of the whole model. So there are various techniques in data preprocessing. The first step in data preprocessing is data cleaning. It involves removing the irrelevant and duplicate data, dealing with missing values, and correcting any errors in the data. Missing values and missing values can be handled by either removing the rows or column with missing values or by imputing the missing values with suitable values. The next step in feature scaling. The next step is feature scaling. In feature scaling is the process of scaling the features of data to similar range. This is important because machine learning algorithm looks better when the features are on similar scale. There are several techniques for feature scaling, like including normalization and standardization. Normalization scales the data to range of 0 to 1, while standardization scales the data to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Finally, feature scaling. In feature scaling, feature engineering involves creating new features from existing ones. This can be done by combining feature, creating interaction term, and transforming the feature. Feature engineering is important because it can improve the performance of machine learning algorithm by providing them with more relevant and useful information. So there are various challenges in data preprocessing, such as the complexity of data, lack of domain knowledge, and limited resources. We might have a complex data which have different kind of attributes, and we may have the lack of domain knowledge and what kind of data it is, and limited resources to handle that kind of data. They are These are the challenges. In conclusion, data preprocessing is crucial step in machine learning. It involves cleaning and transforming raw data into format that can be easily understood by machine learning algorithm. Techniques like data cleaning, feature scaling, and feature engineering are used to improve the quality of data and make it more suitable for analysis. By performing the data preprocessing, we can improve the accuracy and performance of machine learning algorithms. Thank you for watching.